This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute of Building Security. Welcome. Today, another video at Arbeitergasse 1050. It's about the general renovation of the damp walls on the ground floor of the tenement.
This time we worked both inside and outside. The plaster was first removed, the surface was sanded and moistened before applying NCT mortars. The renovation first included drying the courtyard walls. Here, the moisture, which I would like to emphasize, reached up to the first floor. Traditionally, we applied the set of NCT Crystal repair mortars, then NCT TEM and NCT Thermoline, and finally silicate paint. Additionally, in the courtyard, we also renovated the concrete on the floor. Here now, we also applied the NCT Crystal TEM and Thermoline, which, as a lime plaster, is waterproof and has mechanical strength of concrete up to grade B40 and creates a non-slip structure, which is important on such surfaces. Additionally, we renovated and reinforced a very damaged wall, dividing our client's property from the next. We also renovated the garage walls. But also the floors, finished with painting those walls and floors. The entire tenement received an injection with the Crystal product. This is a horizontal barrier that completely stops capillary rising moisture. In the basement, we also installed forced ventilation with very high efficiency, which in the following years will significantly reduce the wall's moisture. The facade was also renovated by us up to the first floor level, especially the wet. The base, which was knocked down by us and filled with NCT mortars, will additionally protect it from rainwater and salt heavily used on sidewalks, especially during winter. Well, that salt, causes damage. Now the surface will be protected. Let's add that the plinth was made of brick, and our mortars are also well suited for this kind of material, meaning ceramics. They also penetrated, close the pores and crystallize water within them and create complete sealing. During the renovation, we also dried out the pizzeria, which was particularly wet on the courtyard side. The final and quite demanding task was to rebuild the removed ornaments, specifically the rustications from the facade, so-called Bosenstein in German. Here we had to precisely measure the old elements, make a target plan, and after approval by the client, stick and adjust the appropriate elements according to the plan to the dried structure of the wall, which is to say more simply, to the old part of the facade. The renovation of the facade made it difficult for taxis to stop, but we managed. Everything looks perfect. Most importantly, the owners and residents of the building, as well as the administration, are very satisfied. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us likes and subs. See you in the next video.